Hey guys, what's up? It's me MaxSacker11 and today we're going to do a tutorial about saves. As you can see, when we click on saves, it shows us 3 save files, or actually slots if you would. So we have these 3 slots and we have this back to menu button. It's just as in the controls, and I will show you how to make this also in the at the end of the video probably. So anyways, just use the same button. As you can see, it's the same button. And what else? So yeah, now I will show you how it works. So when we play the game, we mine something or we make something, whatever, we hide somewhere and we press escape. Sorry, I didn't press. Oh man. So okay, we're in here. We have our house or something, and we block it, and we're in our house. So we want to save. We press escape, and it shows a message. Would you like to save? And it says will be saved to save 1. So it's the slot 1. Now in the future we will fix this to have 3 choices. If you press yes, then you will choose on which slot you want to save. Save 1, save 2, or save 3. It's a lot better than only one save. It really sucks. And if you press no, you just go to the mine menu and nothing happens. But if you press yes, then it says game saved to save 1. If we go to saves, we press save 2, save 3, they don't work because it's saved to save 1. If we press save 1, it will load the save game data. So yeah, that's just quick simple tutorial about that. And yeah, if you press no, it doesn't save it, it just exits to the mine menu. So I will be back, just have to delete some files. So yeah, I'll be back in a moment. Okay guys, so I'm back. I deleted some files. So I will just show you how to make that. So the first thing is you have to make 2 sprites. The first sprite is sprite underscore save or saves. I'll just call it, okay, saves, doesn't matter. Now it's just a save button, a button with a that is written saves on it, that has saves written on it. So yeah, the next sprite is sprite underscore load underscore 1. Now you can delete this 1, of course, just sprite load. Now in here there are 3 images, save 1, save 2, and save 3 for the buttons. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All you have to do is make a room called saves, and you can add a background. I just added tiles and dirt, and just made dirt in there. So then after that, just leave the room empty and call it saves. Then what you have to do is make an object save or saves, and in here add a event left pressed, so that's right mouse left pressed, and in there go to main 1 and drag this different room, and the new room will be saves, the room you just made. And you can add an effect, transition or something, blend, whatever you want, but I'm not going to do that. And that's all you have to do for the sprite saves. Okay, now you can just go ahead to mine menu and add that sprite saves right here. So to do that, just go to this right here and select the object saves and just drag it in there. I made this kind of I changed the mine menu look a little bit, so yeah. Then make another object save game 1. In here make a create event, and in there add this change sprite, and the sprite will be, wait, let me find it, sprite load. Okay, you remember sprite load? The sub image 0, speed 0, don't forget that. And on left pressed event, just go to mine2 and drag this load game, save game 1. Okay, type in save game 1, and then you can just remember save game 1. Okay, then click OK and OK again. Just duplicate it, and in here just change this sub image to 2 and rename it to, wait, I'm sorry guys, I really sorry. So duplicate save game 1, and in there change this sub image to 1. Okay, sorry for that. And in left pressed just change, oh my god, in left pressed just change it to save game 2, not 1. And don't have to change the sprite or anything. And in object save game 3, in here change the sub image to 2, and the left pressed to save game 3. And that's pretty much it. Then what you have to do is go to the object cheater, if you remember, and in here we added a press enter, and it will show us the cheat codes. And then just go to add event, key press, others, escape, or letter P if you want, like pause game or something. So when you press escape, here is where the magic happens. So when you press escape, go to control and check question. In here type your question. Would you like to save? And I added this will be saved to save 1, and then start of block. Then it will drag this display message. The message will be game saved to 1, and then go to main2, save game, and save the game as save game 1, and go to room mine menu. Okay, so I'll just show you just different room. Drag that in here, change the new room to mine menu. You can add a transition if you want, and then end of block, else start of block, go to room mine menu. So I will explain it now. So if you press escape, it will show us a question, would you like to save? If yes, then it will display a message, game saved to 1, and it will save the game and bring us to the mine menu. Else, if we click on no, it will just directly go to the mine menu without saving. So yeah, that's really simple. And in save game 1, I will also explain this. When it's created, it will change the sprite load. I'll just show you. We made the sprite load. It has 3 images, okay? This is image 0, image 1, and image 2. So image 0 is save 1, image 1 is save 2, and image 2 is save 3. So this is save game 1, so we want it to be save 1, and that's image 0, okay? So we type 0 in here. The speed is 0 because we don't want it to change images. When we left press on it, it will load the game save game 1, okay? And it loads the game that we saved right in the object cheater, if you remember. And then object save game 2 does the same thing, except we change this to subimage 1 because I just explained it. And in object saves, it just when we left press it, it just directly shows up the saves room. Okay, and in the saves room, don't forget to add the buttons. The buttons are save game 1, save game 2, and save game 3. And also go to the main menu and object back to menu. Okay, don't forget this. This is really important because if you forget this, it's done. And then to make this actually work, because if you don't do this, it won't even show you the message would you like to save. You have to do this. Go to global game settings and you will see you will see these two checked. Just uncheck them. They're in the other section, okay? So just uncheck them and click OK. So what this actually does is the sentence says it all. Let escape end the game. So if you press escape, it will end the game. And we don't want that because when we are in the game, we want to be able to save the game, okay? So that's a tutorial for today. And also, before I go, I just want to show you how I made that basic controls in the controls button section. So it's just real easy, as you can see. Left click. I'll just show you how I did that. I just made this text, changed the font to whatever font you want. I used Feast of Flesh, and then you just click somewhere, type a text, and it appears. Okay, so yeah, then you just save it, and all you have to do is make a object with that sprite and insert it in the game. Okay, so this is where I inserted it. Okay, so this is the object. So yeah, that's really simple tutorial for you guys, and see you next time. Bye.